Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Samantha Constani. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Peace, love and joy. So if you haven't, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to hear some honest reviews on any products that are being overhyped perhaps on Instagram and social media, and make sure you subscribe. I'm just going to go through all of the stuff that's like so hyped up on social media and give my honest 100% review on whether or not it's overhyped or it's actually worth the money. So just quickly guys, a bit of a disclaimer. This is just my personal opinion on products, okay? If you guys have used these products or are planning to and they work for you, I think that's awesome, keep at it. But this is just my personal review on these products and whether or not I thought that it did anything for me, okay? I'm not trying to offend anyone, I'm not trying to be negative at all. Just my honest review on these products. If I think they're overhyped, I'm gonna fucking say it. If you don't like it, don't watch. Everyone knows the drill with me. Keep it moving. Help me, puppy. You want to help me review it? Do you want to? Oh, Jesus. Who wants a review on buying a German Spitz? Don't do it. Don't do it. It's suicide and a dog. You look terrified. Look at the camera. Bye-bye, look. Bye-bye, look. Oh. Do you want to do a review with me? Do a review on if you think your mummy can sing. Can she sing? I hate when you lick. Stop it! Stop it! Be going on about. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for the better part of my life, you guys know that I've always been like a realist with what's up. I don't follow trends. I don't believe in following just because everyone else is doing something. I'm by no means some like a rebel that just won't follow people because I don't want to. But I will only be really invested into a product or something if I actually really genuinely think it's beneficial or it works for me. Okay, so before you speak coffee, what the freaking hell is it? It's a great question. Apparently it is performance coffee. High performance coffee. In individual serving packages there's 30, so if you only have one coffee a day, which I don't, but whatever, I have like 7, so it's about a month's worth if you have one coffee a day. So it equals out to be, I think, about $2. Yeah, about $2 for a sachet, and the sachets look like this. Yeah. So just little individual sachets. Because yeah, if you get pulled over by the cops, that's not gonna look fucking sus having a little satty. Alright, so in our industry, I think this is like the first of your kind, so I don't know what you mean by our industry, but I think they mean fitness related. There are rules about what we can and can't say on this package. Alright, so we don't tell you that our coffee contains kick-ass ingredients to boost your mental performance. Interesting. I'm intrigued. We also won't tell you that our coffee will make you feel fucking great because of the mood elevating properties. I like that. However, we are obliged to tell you that you may suffer from certain side effects. Oh fuck. Consuming our coffee. Okay, you've sort of lost me there, but anyway. You will get shit done. So if you don't get shit done, can you like complain about this? Or the grass will always be greener on your side. You will even like Mondays. Wow. Sign me up, buttercup. It seems like too good to be true, but anyway, so when you purchase this, this is what it looks like. It comes in a box. I do like the packaging. I actually think that that is really, really nice. I'm a big fan of simple. I'm a big fan of just gold, so yay. All right, so basically you just All right, open it up and there's your sachets in there, okay? So I guess packaging wise, yeah, like I like it. It seems convenient, and I like the fact that it's little individual sachets, because I mean, who wants to carry around a pod or a bottle or an Nescafe? Okay, so what I've done is I've just gotten a cup, put some hot water in it. Let's do this. Where do you open it? Just anywhere? Okay. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, all right. Oh, wow. Oh my God, I can't get it. Wait. I'ma sort you out. Okie dokie. Whew. Oh, it smells like butter. I love butter. Okay, so put you in. Basically just like that, pour it in. It smells nutty. Stir it up. It's a very strong smelling, that's for sure. Woo! Okay. Let's do this. Oh. I'm not a fan. Is it just me, or do I sense like a nuttiness? What is in this? Colombian coffee bean, MCT powder, green tea, no, green coffee bean extract, turmeric, okay, black pepper. Ugh. So it's only got 115 milligrams of coffee or caffeine. Wouldn't say that's high, can't really see how that's gonna give you performance, but whatever, run with it. It does say serving size 360 mils. Here's my problem with this, 360 mils. That is not 360 mils. No cup is 360 mils, I'm sorry. So, I don't know if you're meant to boil up that much and actually put it in the sachet, but I just put it in a normal cup like you would if you were drinking coffee. I'm not keen on the taste, but I can see if you hated black coffee, that this would probably taste better than straight black coffee if you're not a fan of it. Milk is what I mean. So what I'm trying to say is there still is a lactose component, and a lot of people are trying to quit lactose and dairy because that's what's making them intolerant and sick. So I guess if you were thinking maybe you could convert to this and perhaps get off having lactose containing products, well, that's not gonna really work. So I'm still wondering what makes this high performance. Obviously I've only just had a couple of sips, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'll finish it, and I'll give it an hour, because I like to give things, you know, more than 20 minutes. I'll give it an hour and then I'll come back and I'll update you guys on how I feel. And if I feel that it's done anything, if I feel more alert, more awake, yeah, so, and then we'll decide if we want to put this in the overhyped Instagram and social media bin, or if we want to put it in the, yeah, I dig this shit bin. Let's find out. Hi guys, so welcome back. Okay, so it's been an hour. I have drunk the coffee. I've let it sort of kick in. I thought I'd do some housework to see if maybe if I'm doing something, I just feel like I have more energy rather than sitting there waiting for it to sort of like kick in like you would a pre-workout or something. I just don't feel anything with this. Look, I wasn't keen on the taste. I really think that $2 per sachet is really quite high end. So yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical when it comes to this product. I'm gonna tell you a quick story. So I gave a sachet to one of my staff members and he has just had his teeth done. Anyway, so he was like, I'm gonna do like an iced coffee version, put water in, put ice in, put this in. Anyway, drunk it. He went out and left the shop for about an hour, I don't know. He came back and he was like, look at my teeth, Sam. So he had been drinking out of a straw on the one side. All of his new teeth, composite veneers, had turned yellow. This side was still white. And I was like, what's that from? And he said, it's from drinking that coffee. It's turned his teeth yellow. I was like, oh man, like that's rank. And you can actually substantially see the difference in his teeth. Like, yeah, so I don't know what the hell is in this product, but yeah, that's a little bit alarming as well. So do I feel like it's some kick-ass high performance thing like everyone is raving about? I don't. I'm sorry. So if you guys have tried this product and you love it and it works for you, I think that is amazing. Keep with it. But I'm gonna put it in my Instagram overhyped box. I'm sorry. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm not trying to put any businesses down. This is just my personal opinion on this product. I do plan to be doing 2 a week reviews on all sorts of different products, so make sure you guys subscribe if you want to get my opinion on the ins and outs and how I feel about different products, whether it's going to be makeup, skincare, fitness related, you name it. And or if there's something that you think is being hyped and you want to try it but you're not really sure if you want to spend your money on it and you want someone's opinion, let me know and I would be more than happy to test the product out, whatever it is, and let you guys know my honest opinion, okay? It's just my personal opinion. It's nothing saying that it's a false claim or it doesn't do what it says it does. It's just that didn't work for me and I don't personally see how I could benefit from this product. So yeah, sorry overhype bin. I have a feeling you're gonna be getting quite a fucking lot of shit in your side, but I'd really like to have some good stuff in the other side. So do we toss it? Do we keep it? It's so hot in here. Maybe I'm oh fuck, maybe I'm sweating from the coffee. Maybe it does work. 5 hours later. Fuck. Take the review back. No, for real, I'm sweating. I don't think it's the coffee, I think it's the fucking sun in my face. Woo! Oh, I'm sweating out there. Ginseng, MCT oil, I don't know. Tell them, did you like the high performance coffee? Interesting. Yes, yes, I agree. Yes. Ah, yes, interesting. Yes, yes. I'm waiting for you to lick my face. I know you're gonna do it. Oh, isn't he beautiful? He loves high performance coffee. Don't ya? Do ya? Am I lying? Do you? Don't lick me. Don't. Oh, I know you're gonna do it. Hmm? How about we do a review on doggy treats and you can do the yes or no overhyped doggy biscuits? Hmm? A doggy biscuit, a schmacker's overhyped? I don't think so, because you tend to eat them a lot. Okay, you look scared. Yeah. Oh. Anyway,